Want to enjoy delicious, hot filtered coffee from the best French press? Get the SterlingPro French Press for high-end filtering at an affordable price point. The SterlingPro features a double filter design which ensures virtually no sediment remains in your filtered coffee. Made from high-grade stainless steel, the SterlingPro French Press is fully rust-resistant and can be safely cleaned in the dishwasher. The SterlingPro Press also houses a double wall which ensures your coffee or tea maintains its heat for long periods. Click the link in the description for more details.